Alright, so we continuing in our neurological study, now known as ll-Neurolife, and we're talking about the phrenic nerve. The phrenic nerve is a nerve that originates in the neck, in particular columns C3 through C5, and passes down between the lung and heart to reach the diaphragm. It takes its name from the ancient Greek phren, meaning diaphragm. It is important for breathing, as it passes motor information to the diaphragm and receives sensory information from it. The phrenic nerve. May knowledge be increasing to you. May you excel and abound in all things that you need to excel and abound in. Stay well, stay whole, y'all. It's ll-Neurolife, baby. We docked here with the day. Let's go.